Chris Aaron's here with a package from Ith Bombgard. And Ith is a friend of mine on the Discord, which is, I don't know, it's like a chat line for lock pickers. A bunch of lock pickers are on there and just talk trash mostly. But Ith said he had a lock he wanted to send me, and let me play around with and see if I could get it picked. And I think he's got a challenge lock in here as well. So without further ado, let's see what he do. See what we got. All right, this is the one he sent. He wanted me to play with a Corbin M-Heart. There's the key. Some mean bidding in there. Glad he sent the keys. It's pretty smooth. Record number. That's some nice looking key there. That's nice. I really appreciate this, Ith. I'm gonna give that a shot. And then here is the challenge lock he has made. Ith 8345 Abus. And I think he said he put a different core in here. It's not an Abus core. I can't remember what he said he put in there. But there's the bidding. It's pretty good bidding there. Those will give you some trouble. So looks like he's made a few extra little cuts in there too. So I'm gonna give it a try, yeah. And I'm not gonna do it out of the package because I doubt I could pick either one of them out of the package. But I appreciate it, man. And y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal. God bless. Chris Aaron's here with a challenge lock from Ith Bombgard, Abus 8345. And there's Ith's name. So we're gonna vice that dude up and see if I can get into it. His lock, key was on it. I never took the key off. I did pick this when I first got it out of the mail, but I hadn't picked it since, so let's see what I can get with it done tonight. And a really tight keyway here. Hard to feel anything that keyway. There's one on 3. Got a false set on it. Just click on 4. I think that's a little counter on 5, maybe. Okay, I may have got it. see here. Work my way to the back. Alright, that was 4, I believe. Here's 3, but I think I overset that one. So I lost my false set. Go, I think. Yeah, I still got a small false set, but it's not the big one I had. Definitely lost that. Alright, I'm gonna try to drop a pin. I think I overset it. It's really hard to get around that. That warding there. It's awkward. See, which one is it? It's right there. But every time I push on it, I lose it. I think I'm oversetting 4. I'll get a little counter on it, but I lose everything when I go to set it. Reset. There we go, off of 2, got my false set. Click on 3. Hand's cramping there. Which one is it now? It's a really good lock here, Ith. I picked it that one time out of the package pretty quick, which I don't normally record package opening picks. So I like to just keep them personal, just my personal opinion on it, and instead of making it out of the package, I want to make it all about the lock. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time. I just don't like having the package take away from the beauty of the lock and how much time somebody spends on them. I don't have a problem with somebody picking them out of the package. It's just my personal thoughts on it. My hands are hurting tonight. I think it's that. Just don't want to give it up. I take all tension off of it. Come on, guy. Nothing. Nope, there it is. It was number 2. Alright, I'm gonna lock it back up. And there's the key. Key was working. Alright. Oh, there's a fighter right there. That one had me working. Hand hurting. So we get into that, man. Super glued it on there. You want me getting into it. Oh, okay. That just screws into. What is that? That is a adapter. Okay, he's got set screws on there, so I bet he's done some work to the Bible. That was a really good challenge right there. That, as y'all can tell, there's the bitting on the key. I don't know if I showed that off. But as you can tell, that lock put up a fight. Let's see, I'm gonna try. I always like to gamble without a shim, just because I don't like shimming them. Alright, there it is. Number 2's got a lot of enlargement there on it. So that's going to be interesting. Let's knock these out and then we'll take a close look at everything and see what Mr. Ith has done. Alright, let me mark the front. So I don't get confused. Number 1, that one flipped out, but I believe it went that way. Looks like it did. 2 standard. 3 standard with a short spring. Got a spool. Another spool. Oops. Let's see what we got here. That was a standard and it popped out of there. That's all right. All right, let's see what we got in the Bible. Number 1 is threaded. Like number 4 is threaded. Number 5 is threaded. 2, 3, and 6 are standard. 1, 3, and 5 is threaded. 5 is undercut. Yep. 5. Ooh, that's a deep undercut too. Alright, number 2 is this enlargement here. It's not an undercut or nothing, just enlarged. Looks like a number 3 looks like a thread. Oh, there it is. Like a single thread in there. Maybe the same thing on 6. Some kind of little, I don't know if that's just scarring. I'm gonna call it nothing on 6. Alright, let's look at this. Number 1. Has, I'm gonna zoom in. Alright, had a steel spring with this very light serrations on the key pin and the driver. Number 2 is standard with the copper spring. Number 3 is standard with a short copper spring. Number 4 has a copper spring with a spool key pin and a spool driver. And number 5 has a short brass spring with a spool key pin and I like that. That's a nice spool driver there. I like the shape of that. And then number 6 is standard with another short brass. So that's what we have in this Abus from Ith Bombgard. Ith, that's what I'm going to say. Ith, I really appreciate this lock, and it's a lot of fun, man. Very challenging, and put up a good little fight there. And thanks for watching. Y'all be legal, and God bless.